URGS Engineering and Management Consultancy specialized in power transmission and precision manufacturing industries. In the modern industrial landscape, the power transmission industry is one of the most critical pillars of manufacturing. Every machine that moves, rotates, lifts, or transmits torque depends on one core system: gears, gearboxes, shafts, bearings, precision transmission assemblies. From heavy industrial manufacturing to automotive systems, cement plants, steel plants, mining equipment, wind energy systems, and material handling units, power transmission components are at the heart of motion and performance. But behind this critical industry lies a complex reality. Manufacturers today are facing increasing challenges such as tight dimensional tolerances in gear manufacturing, high rejection rates in machining and grinding operations, gear noise and vibration issues during assembly, heat treatment distortion and inconsistencies, process capability limitations (CP/CPK issues), quality audit failures from global customers, ISO system compliance gaps in real shop floor execution, lack of skilled manpower in gear and box assembly operations. In many cases, organizations have machines, manpower, infrastructure, but still struggle to achieve consistent world-class output. The reason is simple. The gap between engineering standards, systems and cultural shop floor execution. This is exactly the gap that URGS Engineering and Management Consultancy is built to bridge. Now about URGS International Industry Positioning. URGS Engineering and Management Consultancy is a specialized technical consultancy focused exclusively on power transmission component manufacturing industry. We are not a generic management consultancy. We are an engineering driven industry specific transformation partner for gear manufacturers, spur, helical, bevel, worm gears, gearbox manufacturers, industrial, automotive, custom gearboxes, shaft and spline component manufacturers, bearing related precision component industries, heavy engineering machine component suppliers, transmission system assembly units. Our core strength lies in understanding gear geometry and manufacturing challenges, gear cutting, hobbing, shaping, shaving, grinding processes, heat treatment effects on dimensional stability, gear inspection and metrology systems, assembly alignment, backlash and contact pattern issues, NVH noise vibration harness issues in gearboxes. We combine this engineering understanding with structured management systems like ISO standards and lean manufacturing practices. Our approach is simple. We do not work on paper systems, we work on real machines, real components, and real production problems. Engineering consultancy, soft floor focus, gear manufacturing, process optimization. In gear manufacturing industries, even a small deviation in process parameter can lead to gear noise issues, tooth profile errors, lead and involute inaccuracies, assembly mismatch, premature failure in field applications. We help organizations optimize gear cutting parameters, hobbing, shaping, milling, tool selection and tool life management, machine setup consistency, process sequencing from rough machining to finishing, in process inspection methods. Now, heat treatment and distortion control. One of the biggest challenges in this industry is heat treatment distortion. We support manufacturers in understanding distortion pattern in carburizing and hardening, developing correction allowances in pre-machining stages, improving quenching practices, reducing rejection after hardening, stabilizing gear geometry post heat treatment. Now gear grinding and finishing optimization. Precision gears require controlled finishing operations. We focus on gear grinding process optimization, surface finish improvement, reduction of grinding burns, tool dressing consistency, achieving required AGM/DIN quality grades, assembly and transmission system performance. Many gearbox failures are not due to machining but due to assembly errors. We help improve shaft alignment accuracy, bearing fitment practices, backlash setting control, contact pattern optimization, noise and vibration reduction techniques. Now ISO implementation industry reality. ISO standards in the power transmission industry are not just certification requirements, they are critical for customer approvals from OEMs, global supply chain acceptance, process standardization across machining and assembly, traceability of gear and gearbox components. We provide ISO implementation specifically tailored for ISO 9001 quality management systems, process control documentation for machining lines, calibration systems for inspection instruments, in-process quality control systems, non-conformance and rejection management systems. But our key focus is not documentation, it is soft floor execution of ISO systems. We ensure operators follow standard work instructions, inspection systems are integrated into production flow, deviations are recorded and corrected in real time, quality audits reflect actual shop performance. In many organizations, ISO exists in files. We ensure ISO exists in production reality. Then next is training programs, skill development. In the power transmission industry, technology alone is not enough. Skilled manpower is the backbone of consistent quality. We conduct specialized training programs for gear manufacturing engineers, gear terminology and design basics, manufacturing process chain understanding, error identification in gears, production and machine operators, correct machine setup practices, tool handling and maintenance, process discipline in machining, quality and inspection teams, gear inspection techniques, gear measuring instrument usage, interpretation of gear charts and reports, understanding involute lead pitch errors, assembly technicians, gearbox assembly practices, bearing mounting techniques, torque and preload control, NVH reduction basics, management and supervisors, lean manufacturing in gear industry, uh, root cause analysis of gear failures, production planning and bottleneck control. Our training is not classroom only. It is designed with real gear components, real defect case studies, soft floor simulations, industry failure analysis examples. Now, industry challenges we address. Across the power transmission industry, we commonly see gear rejection due to heat treatment distortion, high rework in grinding operations, assembly noise issues in gearboxes, lack of standardized process sheets, inconsistent inspection practices, customer complaints due to field failures, low process capability in critical operations. We work directly on these issues with structured engineering solutions. Our focus is reduce rejection, improve consistency, increase productivity, stabilize quality systems, achieve global manufacturing standards. Now, why URGS International? What makes URGS Engineering and Management Consultancy different is deep industry focus. We are fully dedicated to power transmission and precision engineering industries. Engineering based approach. We work with gears, machines, tolerances, not just documentation. Implementation oriented. We ensure solutions are implemented on the shop floor. Problem solving mindset. We focus on real manufacturing problems like noise, rejection, and process instability. Global standard alignment. We help organizations meet international customer expectations. The power transmission industry is evolving rapidly. Customers are demanding higher precision, lower noise levels, better durability, global quality standards, zero defect performance. To meet these expectations, organizations need more than machines. They need systems, skills, and structured engineering practices. At URGS Engineering and Management Consultancy, we are committed to helping manufacturers achieve engineering excellence, ISO compliance with real execution, skilled workforce development, stable and capable manufacturing systems. If your organization is facing challenges in gear manufacturing, gearbox production, or precision component quality, we are ready to support you. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. Engineering excellence is in power transmission is not achieved by chance. It is through it is achieved through process discipline, technical understanding, and continuous improvement. We help you build exactly that. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel.